Hey, good morning everybody. This is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Thanks for watching my channel. And please subscribe to the channel and check out the links below. And you're going to find all this stuff that I show you in the links below. I'm going to show you how to get TV with just an antenna and an Android box. And you get everything that you want to watch, everything you need to watch with just an Android box and a TV antenna. Let's get started right now. The T95 TV box. No, this is not an open box video. I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the T95 box and the remote, and you already know how to hook it up. It's just a HDMI cable to the TV, power supply, and hook in your Wi-Fi with either an Ethernet cable or with the Wi-Fi, and then you're hooked up to the TV. So now let's go to the TV and see what it looks like when you turn it on. Because it's a great little box, but it has its ups and its downs, and I'm going to tell you both of them right now. So the first thing you want to do when you turn your TV on is hit your source button on your remote. Come to your sources, and you're going to come over here where it says, one that says unknown, and click the OK button, and then it's going to come up. If you already got your box on, it's just going to come up with a screensaver. It's going to be the clock, which is good. So next, you want to start using the remote that came with the box. It's a cool little remote. It's got a lot of buttons on it. It does good. But to wake it up, you just hit the OK button in the middle. And this is not what it's going to look like. It's going to be kind of like this, but it's okay. Just go ahead and check it out. So very first thing you want to do on the Kodi app, and you want to delete that. Get rid of it. Get rid of Kodi. That's the first thing you want to do. And to do that, let's see, come down here to the trash can down here. Click OK. And then you find the app that you want to get rid of. And when you click on it, it's just going to be gone right there. You just click OK, it's going to be gone. It's going to the trash. Okay? So that's the first thing you want to do. Then the second thing you want to do is click on the home button on the remote and go back to home. And you want to go here to the Google Play Store. Right here. It says Google Play. And it comes preloaded on this box, just like this. Google Play. You're going to click OK. And then you can go over here to search, because yours is going to come up with search. And you want this one right here, Kodi 18.7 Libra, and you want Pluto TV, and you want Tubi-TV. You want to get those three from the Google Play Store and install them on your box. And then the way this works, if you click on XUMO, now these are free apps. The XUMO is a free app, and you don't need nothing else to use it with. You just click on it. And that's your live TV, which is going to be Newsmax and different stuff like that. And that's the best live one that I've found. Well, Pluto's pretty good, but Pluto is not compatible with some of the Android boxes. I don't know why. It's compatible with an Android phone. I don't know why it's not compatible with an Android box. And then the other one that I like is Tubi. Click on Tubi. And these are free apps that you can get on your phone, or that you can download to this Android box and connect to your TV. And if you have a smart TV, yeah, you can do that. You can add it to your TV. But if you have a TV that has, it's a newer TV, but it's not a smart TV, because there are TVs out there that are not smart TVs, and you can't download apps to the TVs. And this is how you would put the apps on the TV. And this one, you can see it's got all kinds of movies and stuff. Click over here, and it says Home, Movies, TV shows, and you can watch all kinds of stuff for free. That's all I want to tell you about this box. I'm going back to the home page. It's very cool. Yeah, you can go in here and watch YouTube, watch all the stuff that you normally would watch on YouTube. Go back to home. It's just a great little box. But if it when you get it and it has Kodi on it, uninstall the Kodi. Get away from Kodi. You don't need it. But if you do install the new Kodi that I showed you from the Play Store, it's got Tubi, and it's got Pluto. It's got a few apps on it that works real well, but you don't really need Kodi at all. You can just use the XUMO and the Tubi-TV, and you'll be set. If you have that and an outside antenna, hands down, you're set. You don't need nothing else.